Hi everybody, welcome to another video. Today's video is a review of the Avent Comfort Manual Breast Pump. Now, pumps work differently for all women, but I personally find this pump to be the most powerful hand pump I've ever owned, really giving me the best milk flow. This pump is very sturdy and all the parts are high quality and made to last. It's also a very small and compact pump that is so easy and convenient to travel with. Now, two key features to this pump are that their massage cushion has these 5 pedals that help to gently stimulate your milk flow. And two, the way that they design their massage cushion allows for you to be able to really get comfortable and lean back while you're pumping, which is a game changer. The milk just falls straight down into the bottle and you don't have to worry about making a mess or wasting any breast milk. Now, two downsides of this pump are firstly that their flange and their pump body is one part and their massage cushion only comes in a 25 millimeter. And Avent doesn't sell either of these in any different sizes, which can be a problem for women with bigger nipples or women with smaller nipples. Secondly, this pump can make a squeaky noise when you're pumping, and I have owned 7 of these exact hand pumps and all of them make a squeaky noise on average 50% of the time. To use your pump, you'll want to place your nipple inside the massage cushion and press the handle down just to make sure that it's suctioning properly. Once you feel that suction, you're gonna start pumping rapidly, maybe about 5 to 10 times until you feel that letdown start. Once your letdown starts flowing, you can start pumping slower. So you'll press the handle down, leave it pressed down for a moment, and then let your handle return to its normal position. And you'll want to continue this slower rhythm while your milk is flowing. So let's assemble this pump together. So we'll start with the flange and the pump body. We'll place our valve right down here. Then we can put our massage cushion right onto the flange. Now we'll screw our bottle on. Then our diaphragm will go right up here and you're gonna wanna make sure that you push this all the way in. Next, our handle will click right into this little white piece and then you can place your travel cap right on top of the massage cushion. And that's your fully assembled pump. Now, to wash your pump, you can either just wash it under hot water with soap. You want to make sure when you're washing the valve, you only run soapy water over it and gently rub it with your fingers. If you stick anything into the valve when you're washing it, you can damage the valve and your pump will not give you that suction that you need. Then you can just let it air dry on a rack or place it on a bounty to dry. So I hope that today's video was helpful for you guys, and I hope that you all have a blessed day and a blessed week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!